Decked out in Sweden flags.
This is typical Fika treats.
Fika! So they don't have flower crowns here to buy like I was hoping, so we're gonna make some of our own. What do you think of your crown?
I like it.
Yeah. Okay friends, it's Midsummer! We are about to head off to the Midsummer celebration here in the little village of Hallsta. We literally can just walk to it, which is pretty exciting. And I meant to get on and record more of our day this morning, but it's been a little wild. Magnus accidentally fell into a stinging plant here, and so we've just been tending to him, making sure that he's feeling okay. But he's feeling good enough that we're gonna go try and go over there, and if not, we're not too far from my Airbnb, so he can come back and rest if he needs to. But his arms are a little bit puffy. You feeling a little bit better, bud? Yeah. And we've got this cream, let's see, that we're gonna bring with us. Has been a lifesaver to have with this calendula cream. I think that's how you say it, calendula cream. It's by Boreon is the one this one is by. Anyway, but it's for cuts, scrapes, chafing, minor burns, and sunburn. It's got aloe vera in it. It's got arnica in it. All of the good homeopathic painkiller stuff, and also helping with burns and stings. So that's what we've been slathering on him. So a great start to our midsummer morning. Anyway, here we go. We're about to head out the door. So this is a smaller midsummer celebration, just a little local community. We're kind of sad because we did want to go to a big one, but we decided to do this smaller one because we're going to spend less of our day on buses. I think we'll get a chance to be more, like get to know people a little bit better, you know, and not like this one. I think we can get into the group a little bit more and meet people and get to chat a little bit more with them. Whereas if we had gone to the big celebration, it kind of would have just been our family, and trying to mix and mingle may have been a little bit more difficult. There would have been like professional dancers and stuff there, but I think the small one will be really great too. Decked out in Sweden flags. Are we going the right way? All right, come on. We've already got the flagpole up. Oh, that's not a maypole though. Flower crowns. I want to see where those. Whoops. Alright, we got ourselves a couple of treats.
This is typical Fika treats.
Fika! We got some books. What's this one? This looks like a chocolatey. Looks really good. Oh, it's a coffee cake. Alright, so they don't have flower crowns here to buy like I was hoping, so we're gonna make some of our own. We just went around the perimeter of all these fields and just picked some wild flowers. So we'll see what we can make of it. Oh, they're gonna put the makeup up.
We're gonna dance around it.
Where's the purple? Now they're gonna go decorate it. No, with those flowers. Let's go follow it. I wish we had more time, but we're gonna miss out on the decorating of the maypole.
We're gonna put it there.
I don't know this song.
Yeah.
This way? Sove, björnen sove. Alright, finally got my makeshift crown on.
I'm ready, Mommy.
You ready? What do you think of your crown?
I like it.
Yeah. Best we could do with the wildflowers. It actually didn't turn out too terribly bad. Oh, I just have it lopsided. There we go. A little bit better. Well, dancing around the maypole was very fun. And now we have, I can't see them from right here, but they're just playing some music. Serenading everyone. Everyone's just sitting with their families, eating food, hanging out. And it was colder this morning, but now it's warmed up quite a bit, so that's very nice. I'm very happy for that. Did you guys like dancing around the maypole?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know. I knew the first song. We sang the froggy song, Kuakaka. And then I knew the Barn and Sova one. And there was one other one that I recognized, but I didn't know the words very well to it. So we just followed what everybody else did. What did you find, Jetters? Oh, Horsey, look, come in here. Jet, come here. Look. Come here. Jet, can you come jump over these? You jump over, jump. With your horsey, jump. Woohoo! And jump. Woohoo!
He's gonna jump.
Don't try and jump
Jet, you gotta walk.
like that, like brother did. See, like that. There you go. Oh! Did you not want to ride a horsey?
He does not want to ride a horse.
Okay. Well, that was a very sweet, short celebration, and we are headed back home now. And we are all pretty tired, so I think we're just going to be lounging. But we really enjoyed getting to celebrate Midsommar.